Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Gemini. Gemini people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Gemini, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, or the person which you are dealing with, okay? And then we'll proceed with your reading, okay? Okay, so we have Queen of Swords and we have Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so this is your current energy and this is your partner's current energy, and eventually, and moving ahead, we are also going to check your energies on this part and your partner's energies on this side. Okay, so first we'll check your energy. So we have Queen of Swords. Gemini people, I feel that most of you are going through some kind of tough time, or maybe most of you have been through a lot of tough time. Okay, you have seen so many difficult phases in your life, okay, in past, and that thing has made you so tough mentally that you are not uh, you know or you don't allow anybody to come into your radar, okay, or into your zone, okay. I mean, you have made your safe place, okay. You are not let anybody into your life, okay. And the person, whoever tries to come into your, or try to be in with you, or try to talk to you, or try to come close to you, you just you just cut them out of your life. Maybe something has happened with you that made you, or that turned you into a bitter person, but since you are a queen, you have to act like as a queen. Queen is not somebody who is a bitter person. Queen is somebody who has compassion for people, who is humble, who is down to earth. But something has happened with you, okay, or you are going through some kind of a tough time in your life that has turned you in a bitter person, okay. You are not allowing anybody in your life, okay. And whoever is into your life, be it your relation, I mean, be it your family, be it your friends, be it your colleagues, be it anybody, okay, they are also kind of afraid of you to talk, okay. You have raised your standards. In short, if I have to say that this thing, your standards has been risen, okay. You are not settling down on on any any low thing, okay. Be it person, be it emotion, be it relationship, be it anything. Career wise also, you want to be on top, and I feel that you are on top, okay. I would say you have become a choosy person, okay, that you have become a very selective, okay, that XYZ person, they are good to me, okay, they are, you know, they are good for my mental health, okay, they can come in, okay, they can be in my, you know, in my zone, in my, I would, what should I say? Uh, in my company, okay, they deserve my company, they deserve my attention. Rest, everybody get lost, okay. So that's your current energy. Now let's see what is the current energy of your person, okay. We have Eight of Pentacles. I feel that this person is somebody who is a workaholic person, okay, who just want to earn money, 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 okay. They are working like machine, like a robot, 24/7. They are doing nothing, they are just working, okay. They don't have a single minute to breathe, they don't have a single minute to chill, to relax. to, to refresh their mind. Okay, so they are someone who is very, very, very work focused, who is very workaholic. They don't think anything about work. Okay, so 24/7 they just think about money. Okay, just they just want to, make a lot of money. Okay, so they are the person who is, completely cut from the other people. Okay, there is no communication from this person side. I feel this thing. uh, yes, if it is your person, or the person with whom you are dealing with right now, this person has no time for emotions. It's a zero time for emotions, and no time for relax, no time to chill, no time to make call, no time to make communication, no time to make any effort for these relationships. This person just know how to make money. Okay, how to earn money. Okay, so they are somebody who is a workaholic, and who is a money making machine. Okay, now we'll see how you see them, or how you feel about them. King of Wands. Okay, and how they see you and feel you. Temperance. Okay. Okay, so we have King of Wands and the Temperance card. So this is your feelings towards them. Okay, and this is their feelings towards you. So with this King of Wands, Gemini, I feel that you feel about him that they are somebody who is taking action, but not in your direction. Okay, they are taking action, but not in your direction. Okay, they have this wand in their hand. Okay, maybe it's you who every now and then, just you ping them, or you just try to connect them, or try to talk to them, but they are somebody who is not giving you a chance to talk. Okay, they are not even bothered about your presence. Okay, you are here, and you just want their attention, but the thing is that they are not even they don't have any interest. Okay, they are completely ignoring you. Your presence is nil in their life. That's what I want to say. Okay, even though they have this wand in his hand, he is King of Wands. Okay, he is acting like a king. That, okay, if you are texting him, or if you are trying to connect with him over the call, so they see that you are trying to connect with him. Okay, but the thing is that they are just ignoring you. Okay, and I feel that maybe for some of you, I feel that this person is involved with somebody else. Okay, because he has this wand. I mean, they have this wand in their hand. Okay, they have aggression, they have um, they have zeal. Okay, to take action, but the thing is that they are not putting their efforts towards you. That's how you see them. And at some point of time, you feel that this person, uh, maybe they are into, relationship with somebody else. Okay, because they are not looking at your side. Okay, they are not looking at you, they are looking somewhere else. Okay, maybe there is somebody else in their life, and that's how you feel about them, Gemini. Okay, yeah, so that's the thing. You feel ignored by them, you feel ditched by them, you have no idea what this person wants from you. Okay, maybe some of you are trying to connect with them, that, see boss, what is there, what's your scene, what do you want from me? Okay, but the thing is that they are not even concerned about your presence. So either they are working really hard towards this, okay, with towards this Eight of Pentacles, because as I said, this person is being very workaholic and they have become a money making machine. So for some of you, yes, your person is must be busy somewhere, okay, must be busy somewhere, as in work wise they are busy somewhere, okay. Maybe they are working towards um working really hard towards money thing. Maybe they want to earn lot of money, okay. Maybe they want to earn something best in terms of material things, okay, in their life. So either they are working really hard towards this Eight of Pentacles thing, or else for some of you, I feel that your person must have other option as well in terms of love and relationship. This is the reason they are ignoring you. This is the reason they are not seeing at you. This is the reason they don't even bother about you, okay. That's how you feel about them, Gemini. Now let's see what your person feels about you. So we have Temperance, okay. Your person is seeing you that seeing you as the Temperance. I feel that they have seen your bad phase, okay. For some of you, your person knows that what you have been through in your life, okay. They know your bad chapters of and they know your bad chapters, okay. So for some of you, I feel that your person feels about you that I mean, they feel that you need your own time to heal, okay. Maybe they feel that you need your own time to relax, okay, to be in balance, okay. This lady, it's you, okay. Your eyes are closed, so your person is seeing you from a distance. I feel that, okay, let me not disturb them, okay. Maybe they are, you know, maybe they are just healing their heart, or maybe they are healing just their mind. Maybe they are trying to keep or bring balance into their life, so I should not disturb them, okay. So yes, and I feel for some of you, I mean, your person is just right in front of your eyes. The moment you will open your eyes, you will see them, okay, in front of your eyes, okay. Plus, I also feel for some of you, Gemini, that your person sees you as someone who is more inclined towards spiritual things, okay? Maybe you are taking some kind of a spiritual classes, or some kind of a spiritual healing thing is going on into your life. Maybe you are more awakened towards spirituality nowadays, okay? So they are seeing you as someone who is not concern or bother about their presence into their life, okay. Now they see that you are somebody who is taking your or their own time to heal their heart and mind, okay. Maybe you are someone who wants to see what God has planned for you, what divine has planned for you, okay. And that's why you are keep maintaining balance between the materialistic life and the spiritual life, okay. Okay, you are being very peaceful, you are being very calm, you are being very composed, okay. That's why, that's how your person is seeing you. And yes, so they are seeing you as somebody who has been through a lot in their life, okay. Now they see you as somebody who is healing their heart and mind. And plus they also feel about you that you are someone who is not for relationship anymore, okay. You have inclined, or you have moved towards spirituality thing. So they see you as somebody who is being more inclined towards God, towards spirituality. Or maybe they feel that you are somebody who needs to understand, who needs to know what is there for you, okay. If you are not bringing balance into your life, if you are not healing yourself now, for those people, your person wants you to heal your heart and mind, and then they can think about anything or something with you, okay. Okay, now let's see what you see, I mean, how you see this relationship and how they see this relationship. Okay, okay. And how your person sees this relationship. How your person sees this relationship. Hmm. So we have two of swords and three of cups, okay, and we have three of pentacles. Hmm. Okay. So we have two of swords, three of cups. Gemini, I feel that for some of you, you feel that uh, sorry. For some of you, I feel that you think about, or you feel this relationship as something um, that has turned you somewhere else. Okay, you feel this relationship as a close relationship. Okay, and I feel that most of you just want to walk away from this relationship very silently. Okay, and with this two of swords, I feel that most of you does not want to open your heart in front of your person, because you feel that at the end of the day they are not going to understand what you are going through or what you are feeling right as of now. Okay, they won't be able to understand your emotions, they won't be able to understand your feelings, they won't be able to understand what you are looking in this relationship from them. Okay, so for some of you, you feel that it's better to move out silently. Okay, don't tell anything to anyone, and then just be with your friends and be with your family and just do some some stuff which can divert your heart, divert your mind. Okay, maybe some of you just want to move out from this relationship quietly, and then you just want to have good time or great time with your friends. Okay, maybe you feel, maybe most of you have felt that okay, now I don't think so that this person is going to understand my feelings ever, so I should not give them any more chances, and I should quit. Okay, silently I should out from this relationship silently. Most of you feel that it's okay, um, it doesn't matter whether I confront my emotions or not, this person is not into me. Okay, so better to leave him or leave them alone. Okay, and just have a very good time with my friends, with my family. Okay, maybe they are the one, they are genuinely the one who deserve my attention, who deserve my affection, who deserve my time. Okay, so yes. Yes, that's what I'm feeling with these cards, and I feel that you just want to, move out very quietly, very silently, very. You just want to move out. Okay, you don't want to be into or get into any kind of fight or argument. Okay, you have just closed your eyes that you don't even want to see them. Okay, for some of you, you have closed your heart that you do not want to, uh, you know. Um, Share a bit of your heart with them. Okay, you feel that it's enough, I cannot be in this relationship anymore, it's better to invest my time with the people who genuinely cares about me, who genuinely thinks about me, who genuinely loves me. Okay, so yeah, the thing is that you have kind of give up in this relationship, and I feel that you have surrendered in this relationship. Okay, like I can't do anything, or it's okay if it's not going in the way which I had planned. It's okay, I'll be fine. Okay, I just need my mental peace. I just need my own time with my people, with my loved ones, with my family, with my friends. Okay. Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. I feel that your person feels that they need a third party, okay, or third person to resolve your and their issues, okay, whatever issues between you and them. Okay, your person feels that now it is not in your and their hand to resolve all any issues, if there are. Okay, so I feel that for some of you, Gemini, your person feels that you need a third person who can resolve your matters, who can resolve your problems, who can resolve your issues. And yes, and I also feel for some of you, Gemini, that your person must be into some kind of a dealing. Okay, maybe as I told you that they are working really hard towards something. Okay, if it is a other relationship, then they are definitely working hard. I mean, they are really being hardworking to get that person into their life. Okay, if it is a money thing, then yes, I said that they are being very money minded, and they are being workaholic nowadays, that they want to work 24/7 to earn a lot of money. Okay, so in that context, I'm saying, or I'm seeing this person that maybe they are talking to somebody else. There is a third party situation. Maybe they are they are also kind of done with this relationship now. They just want to move out. Okay, and they just want to have their own time with the person with whom they would like to be. Okay, plus I also feel for some of you that your person, Gemini, is dealing with some people for the expansion of their business. Okay, for job thing, maybe they are taking some guidance from their colleagues, their friends, their family. So some kind of a discussion is going on here. Okay, it is a third party situation. Maybe they are dealing with their associates, their business partners, their colleagues, their seniors, their management. Okay, okay, and for some of you, I feel that your person is into third party situation. Now your person feels that I don't find any vibe in this relationship or in this person anymore, or I should go out of this relationship and see what how many other options are there for me to explore. Okay, okay. So Gemini, I feel that some of you could be dealing with air sign. Okay, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Queen of Swords, Two of Swords. Okay, some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Three of Cups. Okay, some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Eight of Pentacles and Three of Pentacles. We have fire sign as well in this reading, King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, and we have Sagittarius also in this reading with this Temperance card. Okay, okay. So that was your reading, Gemini. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.